got something that belongs to me.
What is up, y'all? We're back and jumping right into 30 days of pouring into ourselves. The song of the day is Feel No Ways by Drake, because woo! That is my theme for the past couple days. I'm just like, surrender is where I'm trying to be. I don't know about you, but I know that I'm just trying to surrender to the flow of things and how things are moving. And so that's my song of the day. And don't be selfish. Give this video a like so other people can join the challenge too. What is yours? Moving forward into picking your brain for the day, I want to know, how well do you feel you trust your body or your inner voice per se? Moving forward into the affirmation, since everything is like dying right now, my phone is dying, my iPad's dying, and the sun is down, like I needed a day today and I didn't want to like leave you guys high and dry, so we're gonna do it for the sake of the habit, keeping the habit. And who knows, maybe I need it today more than you, maybe you need it more than me, but I'm here as promised for the rest of this challenge and we're gonna do it together. So go ahead, you know what time it is, take 3 deep breaths with me, and on the last one make it as deep as you can, your deepest one for the day. Ready? And inhale and exhale. Second one, go ahead and inhale and exhale. Last one, make it deep and inhale and exhale. I accept everything as is in my life. One more time. I accept everything as is in my life. I celebrate the small joys interwoven throughout life. I take full responsibility for my thoughts, words, and actions. One more time. I take full responsibility for my thoughts, words, and actions. I relax, allow, and release, falling into flow. I am slowly and deeply falling into flow. I give freely. I'm hungry. I am full of acceptance and love. I embrace that which teaches and empowers me. I accept all. Huh? I read that wrong. Okay. I am grateful for everything in my life. I welcome the energy of ease into my life. I welcome the energy of ease into my life. Let me say that 2 more times. I welcome the energy of ease into my life. I welcome the energy of ease into my life. I humbly accept that which I cannot change, and happily take on that which I can. As I go through life, all situations help to empower me, inspire me, and give me direction. I use everything in my life to lift myself up and empower myself. For today, I am seeing things clearly. Today, the only thing I seek is the truth. Today, I am rooted in purpose rather than pleasure, in love rather than lust, in harmony and in heart. What you thought I was gonna say? I accept that I, like everything else in life, will leave this earth one day. I embrace the power that I have right now. I take ownership for my current situation and say thank you to my higher power. I concentrate my energy on the fabulous things in my life and let everything else go. I recognize that when I'm feeling low, or when I do not understand or know, I have access to the highest potential. Of success. I am limitless, and I know that the only way to go is up. I allow my life to flow instead of force. I roll with the punches. I move with the wind. It is easy for me to find the silver lining. It is easy for me to see the positive potential of my situation. Today I am looking at my situation, at my life, with a fresh set of eyes. Today I am allowing wisdom to find me and follow me. Today I am moving in grace, because I know not every day will feel the same. Yet, there is potential, limitless potential in each and every day. I give positive thoughts and feelings freely. I am at peace with myself. Let's take one more breath. Inhale. And exhale. Drop those shoulders down. Whatever you've been going through or feeling for the day, I remove it. I release it from you. You're going to have a wonderful rest of your day because you are at peace with yourself. And I am at peace with myself. Whatever we don't know, we don't think about, that has to go. We're only here focused on setting the highest intention for our well-being and just embracing life as is. So with that being said, I wish you well and I will see you tomorrow. Definitely in the daytime.